Hi everyone, I am Vinith Kumar. In this video, I am going to discuss about React Router DOM. So React Router DOM is a third-party package used in React applications to handle routing. So by default, React does not include page routing. So if you want to navigate between multiple pages without reloading the browser, then we use React Router DOM. So here we can see the uh, I created one nav bar. So and also if I click the home, it will render the home component. Here we can see home component will appear, and also in the URL we can see home path is changed. And if I click the about, it will change it to about URL and also about component. If I click the same service, it will change the service component. So let's get started how I implemented. So here I already created one React project. In this project, so here I am opening with integrated terminal. So coming the steps to add and you use React Router DOM. So first we need to install React Router DOM in React app. So we need to enter that one command. So if we don't know the command, let's go through and go and enter npm js.com and enter the React Router DOM and click on search. Here we can see React Router DOM and copy this command and come to VS Code and enter here. So and after clicking on the enter, it will install React Router DOM. So after installing the React Router DOM, we must the next step is we need to enter here we can see in our main.js file we need to add browser component. So first we need to import here import from this browser router component. It wraps the entire application and provides the routing context needed for components. So and the next step is so I will create one navbar. So here I'm creating navbar component. Header. In this header I'm giving go and also here I'm creating one CSS file now var.css. Here I have already some CSS, so just I copy paste CSS in that file and we need to import that CSS in our navbar component. Let's see our output. npm run div. Here we are getting only welcome to app component. Why why we are not getting nav component? Because we need to import that navbar component in our app.jsx. So here I am importing navbar. Let's see. Now we will, here we can see our navbar. Then if I click this CSS, if I click these links, it will render to that particular components. The next thing is we need to add routes in our app.jsx, and also in navbar we need to add links. So this links component is used to navigate between routes. So first I need to import a link has a two attribute, so it will take true, and this is the home. This about, and here contact. So here I already created some components like contact, home, and service. Here, let's see. Here if I click the home button, in the URL it will change. Here we can see. The next thing is, if I click this about section, in this here I want to change about component. I want to see here about component. So that purpose we need to write in app.jsx. Here we need to import routes. And another one is route. So this routes is a component, and it holds and all the individual route components. So in this here I'm adding the route component, and it will take the path. So this path should be same as in the link path. That both are same. If it will not same, it will not render the same exact component. And it will take another attribute element. We need to import this home component. Home component, and also same I need to add remaining components. Here I am changing the about, and also here and also the next thing is here I am importing the and also here I am adding the another route is service. we are getting an error. Let's see what is that error. We did not we can see if I click the about, it will change to about component. If I click the contact, it will change to contact component. If I click the service, why service is not going means we did not mention in our navbar. Here we did not change. Now if I click the service, it will change the service component. So this is all about React Router DOM. So thank you for watching.